Hello, car friends. Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals at the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. When your Chevy Bolt shows the message unable to charge, the first thing to do is breathe and don't panic. It doesn't mean your Bolt is broken or that the battery has exploded. Basically, the car is telling you, hey, I can't start charging right now. Check me out before this turns into a bigger issue. It's like when your phone won't charge and shows that low battery face. Just more serious because it's your car. The most common reason has to do with the charger or the connection. Many mechanics say this message pops up because the charging cable isn't delivering power correctly or the charging station is malfunctioning. Sometimes simply unplugging and plugging the cable back in fixes everything. Others even recommend trying a different charger or station because often the problem isn't the bolt at all. Another thing that can cause issues is the car's charging port itself. Dust, dirt, moisture, or even the weight of the cable can confuse the bolt. Cleaning the port, checking that nothing is loose, and making sure the connector is fully seated can solve many cases. It's like cleaning a household outlet that makes a lamp flicker. Simple adjustment, problem solved. If the port and charger are fine, the next suspect is the bolt's internal system. Sometimes the warning appears because of an electronic glitch. Small software hiccups after updates or power changes. Many mechanics report that simply restarting the vehicle or disconnecting the 12-volt battery for a minute makes the message disappear like magic. It's the same idea as restarting a slow computer. Now, if after all that the message still keeps coming back, there may be a more serious internal issue. Some internal charger modules or the charge port actuator could be failing. In rare cases, a group of cells in the high-voltage battery may be too low, and the system blocks charging as a safety measure. At that point, it's best to head to the shop for a professional scan to pinpoint exactly which part is causing the problem.